Hello, my name is Tony Drexel Smith. I'm the managing director of the Microventure Capital Fund. I've got Randa Garvey here with me today. She is the chief of staff of Finfire, which is our primary company that provides all of our due diligence, documentation, and we at Finfire have a number of different tools that we provide to enterprises, including a matching tool for nearly 100 different capital types. I'm just going to spend a few minutes going over the Microventure Capital Fund presentation deck for us today. The deck outlines the fact that we are offering a convertible note at 10.5% interest for a period of 2 years. We're investing $25 million into about 30 early stage companies. Right now, we're projecting a 3.7 times multiple, and ultimately, the investors have the opportunity to be in this convertible note at 10.5% interest for up to 2 years. They can convert at any time into equity at a rate of $31,250 per unit. The member unit holders have four options. Option one is to earn 10.5% interest for up to 2 years. Option two is they can convert their note into equity at any time within those 2 years. They can get an early exit. So if they decide that they need their money back, we will charge a 10% penalty, but they can get their money back at any time during the period. Or option four, the company, meaning the Microventure Cap Fund, has the opportunity to provide a 2 times buyout option within the first 2 years with a 90-day notice. This way, the convertible note holders will know that there's 90-day notice of an intent by Microventure Cap Fund to buy them out at 2 times their original investment, again, during that first 2 years. One unit is $31,250. We are selling approximately 800 units. We've already sold 189 units. So as of today, there's 611 units remaining. The Microventure Cap Fund has a management company called VCap Global that owns 200 of the 1,000 units, and I am the managing director of the fund. The Microventure Cap Fund is an alternative speculative investment vehicle. We're investing into opportunities that are known as accelerators, companies that are in a growth phase. We are also investing into companies that are in early stage incubator stage. We're investing into digital currency opportunities, speculative real estate, and distressed business opportunities. An example of a distressed business opportunity is a company that's worth $1 million that we may purchase for $100,000 or $200,000 if we feel like in the next 3 years we can turn that company around. Digital currencies include mostly stable coins and tokenization. We are providing tokenization as one capital type to some of our clients. Our leadership team is made up of the VCap Global team, which is TJ Mars and Gary Kramer. And then I'm the managing director for the incubator and accelerator operations. Finfire is the company that provides our capital formation documentation. It's an intermediary and service provider. It provides its services in 4 phases: onboarding assessment, document due diligence, capital market introductions, and then long-term project management. The company uses top-tier encrypted secure large language modeling. We have a team of 27 employees. We have hundreds of contractors, intermediaries, and affiliates related to Finfire. Our portfolio companies are identified already. We have identified approximately 30 businesses, and all told, between operations, overhead, management, and investments into those 30 companies, the total raise is $25 million. For those that are going to do a self-directed IRA investment into the Microventure Cap Fund, we have partnered with the Entrust Group for them to do that. And all they need to do is click this link here and register and make their investment. We've hired a company called Raise Ready that is putting together our marketing campaign to accredited investors. And this company has much success in putting together marketing campaigns for companies like ours. So we have fully engaged them, paid their retainer fees, and we begin the marketing campaign early January 2026. We've built our fund in 6 major categories. So we've got industry sectors and subsectors broken down into the first one, which is what's called Armagen. Armagen is representing all of the investments we're making into the artificial intelligence community and payment platform community. This will be ran by our strategic partner, Richard Kern, and it includes investments into these 8 companies: AITC, Divinity AGI, Eliotech, Ethica Meds, Everreps, Fern Bio, Mingo, and Quantum Trek. We've done the due diligence on these companies. We are prepared to make investments into them, and we will do that through our relationship with Armagen, one division of the fund. The second division of the fund is under a platform being managed by Electrum Partners and Leslie Boxcore. Those 8 companies are Alajon Enterprises, Rayton, Appalachian Springs, FlameCap, ADS Advantageous Systems, Biologic Aqua, National Laundry Corp, and EV Structure. Another division is the hospitality division, which includes Leslie's, Red Leaf, Play Sports, and we are acquiring a very large city club that is currently under non-disclosure, so it's not mentioned here. The next is our emerging technologies division, which includes Earth Vision, Biosolutions, First Nova, Diva Network, Music for Life, and Finfire. Our entertainment division is operated by Christine Kieran, and she is the CEO of Dining Empire. Our consumer goods division includes Philo Beauty, Pedalicious Footwear, Overnight Travel Bags, and VitaFemme. You can contact Gary Kramer, myself, or TJ Mars for more information. I'll also show you a summary here of the investment strategy. Again, we've got 6 divisions, so Finfire, Armagen, Infrastructure Division is Leslie Boxcore, Emerging Technologies, Gary Kramer, Hospitality Division is being overseen by myself, and Consumer Products Entertainment Division, Christine Kieran. And as you can see here, the 2025 and 26 total microventure cap fund seed budget is $550,000 for Finfire, $2 million for Armagen, $6.6 million for the Infrastructure Division, $2.6 million for the Emerging Tech Division, $6.1 million for the Hospitality Division, $1.7 million for the Consumer Products and Entertainment Division. All of these companies will then have secondary capital raises. Finfire, $4.5 million. All of the Armagen 8 companies will be raising another $16 million. The Infrastructure Division is raising approximately $50 million between those 8 companies. Emerging Tech is at least $10 million. The Hospitality Division, at least $11 million. And the Consumer Products and Entertainment Division, at least $16 million more will be raised for a total of $107 million. So while $25 million is being raised by the Microventure Cap Fund, we have allocated $19.6 million in this case with an additional $5 million in reserves. And then we will assist through Finfire another $107 million plus being raised by these clients. This is an average of the equity in cumulative for all of the different divisions, the current valuation summaries, the current equity value, the company's projected exits. So each of these individual companies here. So the Microventure Cap Fund exit value is currently projected at $470 million based on a $19.6 million investment. That's a quick overview of our deck and an overview of our financial strategy. I hope you have a great day. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 626-277-7860. The best email for me is tony@tonydrexelsmith.com. While I do have email addresses at Finfire and the Microventure Cap Fund, my email is best. If you want to look up more information about me, all of the internet is Tony Drexel Smith. That's for Twitter or X, for Facebook, for LinkedIn, for my email, for my website, for YouTube. If you'd like to learn more about the Microventure Capital Fund, I would go to microvcfund.com. If you'd like to learn more about Finfire, go to finfire.com. And in the deck, we've provided more material about all of our clients, and you can learn about all of them by going to the Microventure Capital website. Thanks so much. Have a great day.